my patient Pisces angels. Hello, how are you? I'm so sorry. Are you guys mad at me? I'm really sorry. You know what made me feel like amazing though? Like I really didn't think anyone would even notice how late this video is. And then I had like 2 or 3 people yell at me and I was like, I'm so grateful to like be in trouble for sure. So hi, for this video, it is for Mercury retrograde for anyone with Pisces in their chart. How are you? It's for the month of September as well. It is under the Libra sign here, so it's going to focus on relationships, okay? Bringing harmony, maybe redirecting some responsibilities, bringing balance to our lives, justice as well, okay? As any other Mercury retrograde, communication is going to be like weird. Technology, read contracts twice, people returning from the past, ending cycles, anything of that like leftover energy, it comes to surface. So we can truly find closure and end those chapters and move into the new cycle, okay? So yeah, there's like 6 planets in retrograde and it's weird. Let's see what's going on. Usually, for those of you that are with me, hey guys, hey besties, you know that I like to focus on the self, okay? But if you're new here, you got a special treat. I mean, it's a treat for everybody, but this is how you're being introduced, so neat. We're gonna look at your person as well for these. Considering it is all about relationships, I think it's very important to know, okay, the energy that's surrounding us or coming towards us, all right? So let's tap in with Pisces energy for this Mercury retrograde. We are just coming out of your full moon. How the hell was that? Comment down below and let me know, because I loved it, but I know people were having a hard time. Like, oh my, any illusions or that like daydreamy stuff? Yeah. You had to definitely be an emperor this weekend, that's for sure. Okay, Aries energy, look at this fire. Leo energy on the bottom of the deck with the sun. You are taking control of your own fucking happiness. Hell yeah, Pisces. Boss energy, I love it. Masculine energy, some of you could just be reflecting heavily or leaning into your masculine energy. Ace of Swords in the reverse, I see the 4 of Swords here. Some of you may be on a break from someone else, so you're having to lean into that energy of supporting yourself, okay? Whether that's emotionally, financially, okay? Whatever, all right? Pisces, please, okay? Yeah, you're making lots of Aries. Sorry, I just saw that. Lots of Aries. You might have that in your chart. Me reflecting that my BFF does. And I'm like, ah, sorry girl, I don't mean to make these personal. I'm so in tune. Anyway. Okay, listen. The Magician at the bottom. Ace of Pentacles underneath that. The Hierophant underneath that. This is gorgeous. Are you freaking kidding? Yes, I can, says the little engine that could. Oh. Oh my god, someone remind me that better be in the title. Oh, my little Pisces are the engines that could. All right, let me pull for your person and see what they're showing me. Interesting. You're like, I feel like you're doing something and not telling them. It's a secret. Okay, you may have blocked them. That could be it too, but it's more of like making my own moves. Maybe money moves. And it's like, if this is like the first time you've ever done that, like not consider this person, like that's why you're the emperor right now. You took the time to consider all options and are doing what you think is the best. It's the definition of an emperor, okay? He's very fair. He gets a lot of shit in tarot because he's hard-headed. He likes it done his way. It's work. He's the fucking emperor. But he is generous. I feel he's a father figure, right? So he'll hear you out, but it's like his call, his ruling, okay? Yeah, like he doesn't want there to be conflict, but he's prepared if there is. Your person, well, what happened? You like completely left them? You're showing like maybe not, so maybe not like emotionally, okay? Like you may still physically be with them, but emotionally be disconnected, or vice versa, right? There's a block in the energy. Or disconnect. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, well let's see what the heck is going on, shall we? All right, let's see. Clarify this Emperor energy here for me. What is this about? Queen of Cups, Page of Swords. Very curious about love. About the way you love. About the love you've been receiving. The Hierophant in the reverse. Okay. Questioning if someone ever loved you. Also coming to terms, or at least the end goal, knowing the end result, is knowing that the love comes from within. I don't need anyone else, okay? Maybe some of you are discovering, like, I don't know, like an I never did type of a thing. Interesting. The Fool in the reverse in the past. Again, that Aries energy popping in. Some of you might be dealing with one. The Magician, Gemini, Virgo energy, and the Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. We're starting over here. But why is this feeling self-destructive? The Hangman in the reverse. No, there was an opportunity in the past. It's destructive because it might have been left in the Hangman. You saw something. If I do things differently, the energy of I know what to do, but I'm scared. You know you manifested this, right, Pisces? Okay. You've let this fear hold you back. I mean, it's your energy here at the Hangman in the reverse. The Sun in the reverse. Yeah. You've held yourself back from the sun. From connecting with the divine. From being in the dark. Current energy for Pisces. Six of Swords in the reverse. Tell me about this. The Hermit in the reverse. Okay. Yeah, some of you may have like left. Maybe your person walked out or you left the home. Ace of Wands in the reverse and the King of Swords in the reverse. Wow. Slam the door on your way out much? Okay, or somebody here is so mentally or emotionally checked out of a situation where, again, you may be under one roof. Three of Pentacles in the reverse as how you see your person. Not willing to work with you. Never oh shit, you just said it, they never were. Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. You see them as like a karmic, or they're gonna get their, they're gonna get theirs. That's the energy. You're literally like, I'm sitting back and watching you get your karma. This is your karma for, I don't know, taking advantage of my heart or betraying my heart. Judgment. You're not fucking kidding. It's your karma, Pisces. Yeah. And why do I feel like your part in judgment truly is like not saving them? You may feel instinctual, like you have to do something. Oh my goodness. Three of Pentacles. There you go. You always have been. Yes, King of Pentacles. I've always saved the day. Or I've been the one to make peace. I'm not doing it. I'm not giving in this time. I can't not let them go through this. They have to. It's that energy of like, this is going to hurt me more than it hurts you. Two of Pentacles in the reverse as your advice. The Knight of Cups in the reverse. The Five of Cups in the reverse. The Ace of Swords in the reverse. The Sun in the reverse. Wow. You had the Ace of Swords in the beginning, in the reverse. You have to protect your heart. You have to cut somebody off. Somebody has betrayed you. I really am. It might not even be love, you guys. Okay, this could be family or a deep friendship. And I'm sorry, but your instincts are on point. I see you tried to work with this person. You tried everything. You were willing to literally give up how you were living life or like make yourself uncomfortable, and this person will not give it to you. And I'm sorry for that, but you know the truth. Let's tap into their energy and we'll pull advice, okay? We'll do an oracle at the end too. All right. Oh, okay. You just threw some cards on the table here. Oh, these just landed on top of this. This and this are the same card. Running away from the past, their whole happiness, scared the shit out of them. Tell me about this Three of Cups in the reverse for this person, please. You might be dealing with a water sign. The Ace of Pentacles. They want a new beginning. The Four of Cups in the reverse and the Eight of Swords in the reverse. It's all been revealed. Okay. This person just wants to, it almost is like the hermit mode where you were coming out of that. It feels like they want to go into it, but it might be because they're running. I feel very tense too, like they're on edge, or they feel like they can't connect with you. Yeah, here I go again on my own, just like start playing in my head. Tell me this. Judgment in the reverse. I'm telling you. They've been running for a long time. A long time, Pisces. Eight of Cups. Literally walking away. One definition for this card. Walking away. Thought their happiness would be somewhere else. I can find happiness somewhere else. And it feels like you turned yourself, I'm hearing, inside out for this person. Five of Wands. For what? Competition? Conflict? Nine of Pentacles in your current energy. The Tower, Scorpio energy, Strength, Leo energy, and the Ace of Cups. Holy fuck. Your person's very empowered in this position. What happened here? The Tower, Strength, the Ace of Cups. Like, or maybe they're becoming empowered because there is this running it from themselves, from their truth, judgment in the past. And they think it's like, because they've been surviving, that makes them super strong. That's resilience. Your person might be learning the definition. Or, well, back up. Mercury retrograde, I apologize. Your person might be learning the difference between being resilient and being avoidant. This is shocking the way it's coming in. Like this person has been like, I've always been strong, but I never understood it in this way. It truly feels like I'm truly filling my cup for the first time, and I'm having to be more present, maybe with their feminine energy. I mean, you pulled up in the masculine energy. You could be switching with this person. Interesting. Your person's hard to read. You probably feel that as well. I feel like they were keeping things hidden. Can I tell you something, Pisces? It feels like they're kind of blaming you. I don't know. Or they have been unhappy for a long time. And maybe they're just like relieved. You know? Maybe that's what's hidden. They don't want to come out and say that, but it's how they feel. And I'm sorry. That might be what it is. Resilience or avoidant. Staying in the relationship. Is that resilient or is that avoidant? Yeah, fuck. They are hurting. It's not like, I don't think you're dealing with like a narcissist. I don't. Okay, because it's the Three of Swords going forward. Like, they feel hurt. They feel the pain. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. The Eight of Wands. I feel like this person, here's the story I'm getting, and it's not going to resonate with everyone. It looks like this person stepped out. They were found out, but they're almost relieved that it was found out, you know? But the heartbreaking truth is still that they caused you pain. Even though they're glad that it's all out, it's still a very hurtful situation. And their judgment is, are they going to face that? Or are they going to run? Resilience or avoidance. And it's an emotionally immature couple. That's the thing. If this is a third party energy, Eight of Wands. It's just like fast excitement. Like, they're learning that impulsiveness, that the grass isn't always greener. That's what they're fucking learning. That's a hard truth for them. They might be reflecting, like, my whole life has been surface level. My whole life has been me running to different patches of grass and getting nowhere, building nothing. You know, that might be it. My, oh my. Let's pull some advice for this connection, I think. Okay. Crazy. Check your other placements for sure. If you guys are interested in a personal reading, email me. It's in my description box. Okay. The Nine of Pentacles. Absolutely. And that was your person's current energy. So I am glad to see they're in alignment. Yeah. You know what's interesting? They see you exactly how you're feeling. I don't know if that's a trigger for you or not. They see you as the Six of Swords in the reverse. You show up as the Six of Swords in the reverse. They know what they did. And they might know that you haven't moved on or can't let them go too. Or didn't want to. Two of Pentacles in the reverse, which was your advice. Wow. The Chariot, Cancer energy. Go forward. You can't. Okay, so I said that the Mercury retrograde's in Libra, right? And that's exactly what it is, balancing the scales. Just made my eye, sorry. Your advice is to put yourself first. Withdraw, stop waiting for an apology or for like a reconciliation and look forward. Nine of Wands in the reverse and the Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. It's been revealed. The High Priestess just fell out. That's your energy. You know that, right? Okay. You intuitively know that even though this may be very painful and uncomfortable, you are in a position of power. You've taken back your power. You're making the right choices. You have manifested a brand new beginning for yourself. There's a lot of pain here, but look what's coming. A solid offer of commitment, okay? It's like devotion. Whether this could be, again, like a friendship. I am seeing it as love, but maybe it was trash talking. Apply it to your situation, right? Maybe it was a coworker gossiping. They're out for your job and they were trying to get close to you, right? Things like this, okay? Where it's like someone was trying to be deceitful, but, and again, it's painful. And it's like on their end, oh, it's painful, but I'm glad it's revealed. And you're like, yeah, it's painful, but I knew the whole fucking time. And now I'm free. It really is. It's like a freedom thing for you, okay? So listen to that within you, please. Okay? Your intuition is your strongest fucking superpower. For real. Let's do an oracle for my Pisces babies. Yes. Hi. The wasteland. Sustainability. Slow down. Tend to your garden. I guess that will be your oracle. Fell right out, didn't it? $136. Okay. Number 10. The month of October. Might be important to you. April 6th, maybe. What did I say that was? 136. There's an anonymous 13th century French myth in the form of a poem called The Elgidation that tells the story of a king who abuses the land he's supposed to be the guardian of. The king breaks the trust of the well maidens, the spirits who were guarding the wells of the land, and they flee. The waters, I just got chills. Did I not say when somebody walked down on somebody? The waters run dry, the plants wilt, and the land, which was once rich and fertile, becomes barren, creating a wasteland. This is the most powerful card in the deck. It's a wake-up call for us to stop the destructive behavior that's resulting in us becoming brittle and unable to live in a sustainable way. The sacred feminine is abundant. She knows that the earth can provide for what we need and that she doesn't need to take more than she needs. She tends to the earth around her and within her. She's the keeper of balance and the protector of all living things. The rose has seen civilizations come and go, empires rise and fall. In this card, she's delivering an urgent message to slow down and stop any way of being that's not sustainable, to release anything that's making us brittle, to tend to our garden, our bodies, and the earth around us. Soul inquiry, what way of being is no longer sustainable for you? So there's some reflection for you, Pisces, okay? That is intense, but you guys have got this. I'm so proud of you. You are taking back your power, and I know you may not feel it, but you're learning. You're learning all about love, what you need in love, what you're willing to accept, and what you're able to provide. Okay, so I hope that helps. Again, like, comment, share. It helps me tremendously. I appreciate you guys. I love you. Thank you for your patience. My little babies. Oh my God. What was the title of the video I was going to do? Remind me. Oh my God, remind me. It was the cutest. What was it? Stop it. Wait, what was your energy? I'm going to go watch the beginning of our video and then put it in the title. Bye, love you.